students. Today we will be reading a chapter called It's Only a Matter of Practice. आज हम It's Only a Matter of Practice ये चैप्टर रीड करने वाले हैं। ये आपके इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक में पेज 12 पर है। The name of the chapter is It's Only a Matter of Practice. Last week we read the first section. Long ago in faraway China से लेकर It's just a matter of practice तक। इस सेक्शन में हमने काफी सारे न्यू वर्ड्स जाने। For instance, archer, distance मतलब दूरी, admirers मतलब जो किसी को cool समझते हैं, gourds मतलब ऐसे सब्जियां जो बाहर से सख्त और अंदर से नरम रहते हैं, जिनको खाली किया जा सकता है तेल भरने के लिए। Admiring crowds ऐसे दिखते हैं। Clapping हमें पहले से ये न्यू वर्ड पता है। Noticed मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज दिखाई देना जो आपको पहले नहीं दिख रही थी। Nodding मतलब अपना सर हिलाना, ऐसे। ये न्यू वर्ड्स यूज करके आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाए थे पिछले हफ्ते, ओके? और आपने मुझे स्टोरी का सेक्शन रीड करके दिखाया था। दिस वीक वी विल डू समथिंग सिमिलर। This week we are going to read the next section of this story from Chen Yaozi was annoyed to everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Your first task today is to make sentences using the new words. What are our new words today? Number 1 is annoyed. See how this man looks. He looks annoyed. Number 2, confront. Confront means when you are fighting with someone with your words. Number 3, patiently. आराम से, धीरे धीरे, taking no extra time. Sorry, taking all the time that you need. Number 4, calmly. We already know this one. Calmly means shanti se. As you can see, everything is a matter of practice. You can do anything if you keep practicing. And as you keep practicing, you will keep making mistakes. And that's okay as long as you keep trying new methods, keep trying new techniques, and keep trying until you get it right. The next word we will learn today is growled. When a dog is angry, the sound they make deep in their throats is called a growl. When someone is waiting to see what will happen next, that is called being curious. So these are our new words today. I want you to make sentences using them. I have already told you what they mean. Now you need to think. Why would somebody be so angry that they growl? Why would somebody be curious to see what is happening next? Think about all of these new words and make sentences by yourself. This is task number 1 today. Remember, your words are annoyed, confront, patiently, calmly, practice, growled, and curious. That was your first task. Your next task is going to be identifying punctuation marks and telling me what they are used for. Okay. Now we can see that this section over here is a dialogue between Chen Yaozi and an old man. Chen Yaozi is a grumpy, arrogant man. The old man is a calm, patient man. They are talking to each other. How do we know this? Didi has told you, that's why you know. But if Didi had not told you, where in the text would you find out that, oh, somebody has started speaking? I think that you would be able to say, Didi, someone is speaking when you see words like replied, yeah, growled, or when you see punctuation marks like the open quotes and the close quotes. Remember the bunny ears. When you open quotes, somebody has started speaking. When you close quotes, somebody has stopped speaking. Okay? This is an open quote. Are you an archer yourself? Da, 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 da. Do you know? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? You can see here the quotes have closed. Opened here, Chen Yaozi is speaking, continues to speak. Closed here, Chen Yaozi is no longer speaking. Now who do you think is speaking? The old man replied, it says. So who is speaking? The old man. What does he say? When do I find out that the old man is speaking? Because I can see opening quotation marks here. Yeah? And I can see closing quotation marks. They both open and close. So, this is his complete dialogue before the narrator interjects. The narrator is storyteller. जो story बता रहा है उसको narrator कहते हैं. या नरेटर ने अभी हमें बताया है कि ओल्ड मैन ने नो सर बोला. फिर वो आगे क्या बोलते हैं ओल्ड मैन? आई एम नॉट एन आर्चर डॉट 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 डॉट. ऑल आई सेड वाज एवरीथिंग्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. ओल्ड मैन अगेन स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग हियर and stopped speaking here. And I know this because there are opening and closing quotes. Alright, like this today you are going to mark every single punctuation mark that you can see. Sure? These are the open quotation marks. These are the closed quotation marks. This is the full stop. This is the comma. We already know what a full stop does. Full stop stops the sentence. Comma pauses the sentence. Next we have the exclamation point. Exclamation mark for when somebody says ha. A period for when somebody stops speaking, and a question mark for when somebody is asking a question. So now you are going to look through this passage and mark every open quotation marks, close quotation marks, full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. 6 punctuation marks that you are going to identify and circle in your textbook. Now, once you are done with that, I have a little task for you. You are going to take 2 socks, okay? And you are going to put them on your hands and you are going to think if the red sock is an angry man and the blue sock is a calm man, then how will they speak? You have to say it with feeling, okay? So now you will start with Chen Yaozi, who is an angry man. Chen Yaozi is saying, are you an archer yourself? Yeah? And the blue sock will say, no sir, I am not an archer. I want you to read it aloud with feeling. That is your next task today. And lastly, you have to imagine. अभी तो हमने dialogue सीख लिया है. डायलॉग टेक्स्ट में कैसे दिखता है ये तो हमें पता है, पर क्या आप खुद से डायलॉग कर पाओगे? I think you can. I think if I give you 2 objects, then you will be able to imagine ये एक दूसरे के साथ क्या बोलेंगे. I am going to give you a scale and I am going to give you a water bottle. यू हैव टू थिंक। अगर स्केल ने वाटर बॉटल के साथ बात करने की कोशिश की तो वो किसके बारे में बोलेंगे? सिमिलरली अगर बॉटल ने स्केल के साथ बात करने की कोशिश की तो वो किसके बारे में बोलेंगे? इमेजिन दैट और मुझे उनका ऐसे डायलॉग बनाकर दिखाओ कि हेलो स्केल, वेयर आर यू? हियर आई एम। ओके, ऐसे आपको डायलॉग करके दिखाना है मुझे वीडियो में। फिर वही डायलॉग आप मुझे लिख कर दिखाओगे। अभी हमने स्टोरी में देखा कि जो कुछ डायलॉग था वो उन्होंने स्टोरी के अंदर ही डाल के लिखा था, तो हम वैसे ही स्केल और बॉटल के बीच में जो डायलॉग आपने बनाया वो आप लिख कर स्टोरी में मुझे भेजोगे। ऑलराइट, और स्टोरी में कैसे हमें समझेगा कि अभी बॉटल ने बोलना शुरू किया है या अभी स्केल ने बोलना शुरू कर दिया है? कैसे समझेगा हमें? हमने कौन से पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स आज सीखे हैं? दैट वुड बी नंबर 1 open quotation marks, closed quotation marks, full stop, comma, exclamation mark, and question mark. These 6 punctuation marks that you have learned today, you will write in your story. These are your 5 tasks for the day. I look forward to seeing your responses.